next episode of the Tasik Bodanis, the past will return like a way that refused to stay behind. Adil will no longer to able separate old pain and present danger. Everything will connect it now. Ismi silence, Ilaini, identity, auric, love and enemies waiting to weakness. The story will move the heavy emotion because every character will know that one mistake can destroy more than one life. Adil anger because it will come from love. He will not to shout only because he is a betrayed. He will shout because he is afraid that his daughter he found too late may disappear before he can hold her his own. Afraid that years stolen from him Sir never repaired the fear that enemies around him used to alienate True as a weapon. The fear will make an unstoppable. Arik will fight with a heart full of fear. He was remembered to Eleni word and her eyes through the moment. He wasted to be hiding behind to Strawman. Now the truth is clear. Life does not wait for people to confess love at perfect time. Sometimes love must run to danger before it can speak. To Auric will choose that rod, even it to break him. Ismi will stand in middle of two fires. Adil pain will burn from one side, Ilani danger from other. She will not at the time for hiding is over. If that want to protect the Ilani now, she must face everything she avoided to before in the next episode. Ismi's silence will no longer to protect anyone. Her too may be the only thing that can stop the affair. We're moving to even borders. The sea fall over to the secret that the strongest secret is already out. Now everyone must live with it.